Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials, Vscode and a working Python interpreter. Open your project folder so settings stay local. Once done, open the extensions view, search for Python, and install the Microsoft extension. You do this now to enable IntelliSense, linting, and debugging support. Make sure to reload the window when prompted so the extension activates. After activation, the extension can detect interpreters. Selecting the right interpreter is the next concrete step you'll take. Once the extension is active, you select the interpreter so Vscode runs the correct Python. Use command palette right arrow Python, select interpreter and pick a virtualenv or conda environment to isolate dependencies. Then enable linting and set a formatter like black to keep code consistent. Install the language server for better completions. Make a Vscode/settings JSON to pin these choices per project, so teammates or CI use the same tools. This prevents runtime mismatches. You finish by configuring debugging and tasks so development flows. Open the run view, create launch. JSON and set the program path, arguments, and environment variables. Choose an integrated console for interactive sessions. Add tasks. JSON for common commands like tests or builds, and bind keys for fast runs. If something breaks, first verify the selected Python path and check. Vscode/settings JSON, then reload the window. If problems persist, reinstall the extension. That often resolves activation or language.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.